guys, update for in my washroom. So ayan, this is my washroom. All this for my hair oil, like that, serum oil, hair toner oil. Ayan, binigay sa akin ni madam, sa anak niya yan guys, sa alaga ko. And then this one is all was fish wash. So 1 2 3 4 5. And the other side I already put what's that, sa ano, yung shampoo holder and conditioner holder. All this was shampoo and conditioner, all that, diba, binigay ni madam yan. Talaga ako yan guys, hindi niya dinala doon. So ayan, bago mag-expired I will use it. And then this one was in body wash. All that was body wash and body butter. Ay, body oil pala yun guys, para scrub siya ng oil after mong mag-bath and then rinse your body. And that one was hair cream. Ang dami ng anik-anik. Gaganda na ako nito guys after end of year 2026. Kagilao ko. Ay, different kinds of lotion. Ayan. Ang aking body butter, Sia butter, and then the one was argan butter after shower. Ayan. And then yung aking mga cream and night cream ko yan dyan guys. O yan, retinol. Perfume ko dyan. So yan na ang loading nyo. Alam nyo guys, I put this in my washroom kasi nga very easy than to cabinet. Kasi kahit na ano, ito naman for household bra and household underwear. Ang alis ko, ayan siya. And then that one. And the next one, the last one was all socks. So it's my washroom. So my golden curtain was coming on this week, I think. I hope so. And then golden, another golden like this one also. Bathroom wall like that. Si madam, binilan ako ng black. I don't like black, but it's okay. I will add another one there, 2 gold color. And then this side, I will put shelves also gold. So it's coming this week guys. I hope so, this Sunday. I don't know if next week.